All I Got thing at 8:27. I have a very special guest in the studio today. Her name is Samantha. Samantha,
Hi.
that's a big Cup of Joe Morning Show. Welcome. Hi yourself. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you.
Which was yesterday, right?
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
10.
10. Oh, double digits. It's all over, Samantha. Samantha, you brought some people here with you, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, who are they?
Mom, Dad, Amy, my sister, and her boyfriend, Isaac.
Very cool, right? Okay, very nice. And your dad is here, standing out there somewhere looking. That's very nice of them to drive up. Why'd you want to come?
I wanted, it was a surprise for me, and I didn't know I was coming. So I really wanted to come because I listen to the radio every day. In the
Wow.
morning.
Wow. Thank you very much, by the way. What time do you listen? I'll make sure I get all your special songs on.
I listen at 7:30.
Oh, okay. All right. And why is it at that time?
Because that's when we get in the car and go to school.
There you go. And you got something going on, you said, with your dad there about radio. You used to...
So in the morning, we listen to The Sound of Life, but then he doesn't, like, he says that there are too many commercials. And I'm like, they don't even advertise too many commercials. And there are only like a few commercials. And he's like, you guys advertise too much.
Okay. I just want... So what does he want to do?
He wants to listen to country music.
Ah, okay. All right. Well, I kind of like that country music some too. That's okay. All right. But you guys worked it out.
Yeah.
That's good. That's very good. So you worked it out and you got your way.
Yeah.
And so you get to listen to The Sound of Life in the morning.
Yeah.
Very cool. Where do you go to school?
Faith Christian Academy.
Woo! Faith Christian Academy. Yeah. What's your, you got any part I like about schools? Or you moving into...
Art class is my favorite.
Really? What kind of art class?
Well, it's mostly like drawing, a lot of like good like stuff, and there's a big wall with all of the art on it. And Mr. P and my art teacher puts up all of the special ones on the wall.
Ah. We'll talk about that coming up in a couple of minutes. Wow, I like art myself. I haven't done it in a while, but that's what happens when you get out of school and you get busy playing music. Things like that. Okay, all right, we'll do that then. You don't mind if I play the Newsboys, do you? Okay, all right. I got to get your permission. I got to get Samantha's permission. You're playing her. So how come you're here now? You're not in school.
Because I wanted to come here.
Wow, you can do that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Happy birthday, Samantha. Thanks. We'll talk about your art. Why have you do some artwork or something?
No.
Here's the Newsboys, the Cup of Joe Morning Show.